Hey guys, are you looking to replace a broken kitchen faucet or upgrade to a better one? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Moen Arbor kitchen faucet and give you my thoughts after a year of use. Let's get on with it. First, take the deck gasket and insert the faucet supply lines, sprayer extension, and faucet support thread. The gasket is notched in 3 places to make sure that it is aligned for a proper fit. Next, place the faucet into the sink hole, taking care not to twist or pinch the supply or faucet extension lines. The handle should be on the right and the word Moen should be facing you. When you let go of the faucet, it will lean over. That's okay, we will fix that in a minute. Grab the bag that contains the mounting washer and mounting nut. Slide the mounting washer up onto the threaded faucet support body. Then, thread the mounting nut while gently pulling down on the supply lines to keep the faucet standing straight. Tighten the nut all the way until the mounting washer is snug against the sink underside. Use the gray plastic mounting tool to make the final few turns easier. When snug, look above the sink and make any adjustments to your faucet's placement. Try the handle and swing the faucet from side to side to ensure proper movement. When you are satisfied, hand tighten the mounting nut with the plastic installation tool. I also like to give it an extra half turn by inserting the screwdriver for final tighten. Next, thread on the hose protector until it is finger tight. Now connect the supply lines, taking care to attach the line labeled hot to your hot supply and cold to cold. Finger tighten and then give it a few more turns with a wrench. Next, grab the bag with the sprayer extension hose. One end will have a plastic protecting cover. Insert the end with the plastic cover into the faucet and feed through the faucet body. Once you've got it pushed through, discard the protective cap and insert the end into the quick connect adapter. You will feel it seat with a little faint click. Give it a little tug to test proper connection. The hose weight opens in half, revealing where the hose will be attached. On the sprayer extension hose, look for the yellow weight locator mark. The weight can be attached anywhere from that mark to just above the bottom of the loop curve of the extension hose. Keep in mind to keep an area about 10 inches by 10 inches free in your cabinet so that this extension hose and the weight may operate freely. Next, turn on the hot water and the cold water and let the water run for about 15 seconds, alternating between hot and cold. Next, install the sprayer by first removing the protective cap. Attach the sprayer hose and finger tighten. Use a wrench to make the final turns so that the extension hose sits flush against the sprayer. Just be careful not to over tighten. Finally, turn on the water with the faucet handle and test the sprayer. Push the button to toggle between stream and spray modes. Overall, this is a very nice middle-of-the-road faucet. It lacks some of the higher-end features such as unique finish types and intricate and unique detailing, both of which are subjective. This model also lacks a touchless on-off feature and as well as a magnetic faucet attachment. However, there is a variant that does have the touchless on-off feature that Moen calls Motion Sense. That being said, the faucet has a solid feel to every part of it, from the handle all the way to the sprayer. The sprayer itself is easy to attach and seat, and it extends out effortlessly. The Power Clean feature is a nice touch. With the push of a button, you get more water flow, which is great to help rinse clean dishes or the sink. Moving the faucet from side to side is effortless and fluid in movement, and the same goes for the temperature handle. If you had any doubt, the Power Spray really does let more water through. Check it out. The arching spout is also of a good height, giving you lots of clearance when dealing with pots and pans. I've been using this model for about a year now, and it has been absolutely trouble-free. The spot-resistant stainless steel truly does prevent and almost eliminates spots from hand touches as well as the water spray. The one minor quibble I have with this faucet is that the spray mode comes out of the nozzles in thin streams and high pressure, which causes a lot of overspray. This could be mitigated by not having the on-off temperature handle on all the way, or if you have a deep enough sink and keep rinsing things deep in the sink. But on the positive side, the spray pressure really does help with rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink.
So do you guys have one of these faucets? Are you looking to buy one? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.